Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get zinc from batteries. Wear thick gloves, safety goggles, and a respirator before starting. Work outside or in a ventilated area to avoid fumes. Remove batteries from devices and sort by type to find zinc-based cells. Use simple tools like pliers and a flathead to open casings carefully. Collect zinc pieces separately and avoid mixing them with other metals. Label and store recovered zinc in a sealed container. To extract zinc chemically, crush batteries carefully and separate powder from casings. Mix powder with water and add a weak acid like vinegar to dissolve zinc compounds. Filter solids and collect the clear solution containing zinc ions. Neutralize with baking soda to reduce acidity before processing further. Use electroplating or zinc precipitation methods to recover metallic zinc. Always dispose of leftover waste at a hazardous waste facility. Wear a respirator during chemical steps. Safety and legality matter when reclaiming zinc from batteries, so check local regulations before beginning. Never burn or melt battery casings indoors, as toxic fumes can form. Keep children and pets away from the work area at all times. Use grounded tools and avoid open flames near batteries. If unsure, consult a professional recycler to handle hazardous materials and to ensure proper disposal of residual waste. Document your process with photos for safety records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.